Sergiev Posad is called the heart of Russia because of the Trinity Lavra of St. Sergius and its founder, Reverend Sergius of Radonezh. His sermon was heard in Russia during the difficult times of the princely feuds and raids of the Horde. Sergius turned the doctrine of the Holy Trinity into a prototype of unity and love between people and made it clear and easy to understand for his contemporaries. The Reverend supported Dmitry of the Don. Under the banner of Moscow, the Russian principalities began to fight together against the Horde yoke. The monastery founded by the Reverend revived the traditions of the Russian monasticism. In praise to Sergius, Andrey Rublev created the icon of the Holy Trinity. In the years of the trouble, Lavra withstood the siege of the False Dmitry II troops. During Peter I's time, it raised funds to build a fleet. During the Second World War, a hospital operated in the monastery, which was closed by the Soviet authorities. After the victory, Lavra, one of the first, resumed divine services. The seminary and the academy were opened here, and the spiritual revival of the church and the country began again here in Lavra.